Hello everyone and welcome to another edition of our video newsletter. In this video I want to talk to you about the question of whether or not you can open or reopen a Marchman Act case. So we get calls from people who have been Marchman Acted, and when I say that, what I mean is they have been court ordered into treatment, they've had a hearing, they had court-appointed counsel, or they waived their right to have court-appointed counsel, and now they've been ordered into treatment and they don't want to go, or they don't want to comply with a court order, and they call me and they say, hey, can you get me out of this? Well, as a general rule, the answer to that is no. So when you have a hearing, if it's before a general magistrate, which is sort of like a junior judge, when a magistrate issues a ruling, what they do is their ruling doesn't become a, quote, court order for 10 days. So there's a 10-day window in which a person can object to the findings of the general magistrate. Now, obviously, if the hearing's before a judge, and in some counties that is, and there's a court order, unless there's something illegally been done by the judge, there's not much you can do about that. If there's a hearing before a general magistrate, you have 10 days to file an objection. Now, that doesn't work if you didn't preserve the right to file the objection. So most of the time, we're getting folks who decided to represent themselves, and they didn't preserve the right to file an objection. They didn't tell the judge, hey, listen, I'd like to have a judge review this. You're just a magistrate. So as a general rule, if you have been court ordered into treatment and now you want to complain about it, it's too late. The time to do something about it is before you go to court, and either to use the benefit of having court-appointed counsel, or if you can, retain private counsel who's experienced in handling Marchman Act cases, not just as petitioner's counsel, but respondent's counsel too. In other words, they've handled cases from both sides. So with that said, stay safe and be well.